In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert yourself into any photo with Gemini Nano Banana. We'll start simple and move quickly, keeping everything clear and easy to follow. Open your web browser and head to Google. This keeps things consistent, no matter what device you're using. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. You're looking for the official Google Gemini website in the results. Click through to the Gemini app so we can work directly inside the tool. Once you're in, look for the Create Image option. Clicking this activates the Nano Banana feature behind the scenes, which is what will handle the compositing magic for you. From here, you'll see a plus icon that lets you add images. Use that to upload the photos you'll reference. You'll want two: the destination photo where you want to appear, and the photo of you, or the person you're inserting. For best results, choose images with similar lighting direction and camera angles. If the background scene is shot in soft daylight and your portrait is lit with harsh flash, the blend will be harder to make convincing. Next, paste a clear prompt to guide the model. You can use this exactly as written. Remove the original person from image 1 and replace them with the person from image 2. Match the lighting, shadows, perspective, proportions, and overall style so it looks natural and realistic. Keep the background, clothing, pose, and environment exactly as they appear in image 1, adjusting only as needed to make the replacement seamless. Ensure the final result looks like I was originally photographed in that scene. This prompt tells the system precisely what to preserve and what to change. If you uploaded the background image first and your portrait second, image 1 refers to the scene and image 2 refers to you. Before you submit, double-check that your uploads are crisp and well exposed. Higher resolution images help the model maintain texture and detail, especially around edges like hair and clothing. Also consider the pose. If the person in the background scene is standing at a 3/4 angle, choose a portrait of you in a similar angle for a more natural fit. Now click Submit and let Gemini process your request. The tool will analyze lighting, scale, and perspective to build a realistic composite that feels like it was shot in one take. When it's done, you'll have a clean, natural-looking result that blends you into the scene as if you were there all along.